Meet Vision OS, the brand new Windows 11 Lite build from Team OS that's faster, lighter, and sleeker than anything you've tried before. If you're looking for a lightweight, optimized Windows 11 that runs on minimal hardware but still delivers full performance, this review will show you everything you need to know. As you can see, we have a beautiful AI-themed wallpaper. The desktop includes several shortcuts, such as My PC, Recycle Bin, Control Panel, folders for the Team OS project, and an Extras folder. Inside Extras, you'll find browsers, websites, customization apps, as well as medical scripts, Windows registry tools, and system services. At the bottom, we have the search bar and a centered Start menu with the classic look, powered by the Start All app. Running the WinVer command shows that this Windows 11 Lite is based on Windows 11 24H2, specifically build 26100.4482. Right-clicking the taskbar and opening Task Manager reveals that the system runs only 19 background processes. CPU performance is excellent, with just 2 to 4% usage, and RAM usage is only 1.1 gigabytes out of 4 gigabytes available. Remember, we're running this with the minimum requirements, 4 gigabytes RAM and a dual-core CPU. File Explorer features sleek, gray-toned icons that give the OS a very attractive feel. The ISO weighs 6.38 gigabytes and is fully compatible with Rufus and Ventoy for creating bootable USB drives. Since it's 6.38 gigabytes, you'll need at least an 8 gigabyte USB stick. The ISO is in English, and as always, the download link will be in the pinned comment. Right-clicking on Local Disk C shows that Windows 11 Lite takes up 17.9 gigabytes of disk space, a bit large for a Lite version. In Control Panel, the pre-installed apps include 7-Zip 6.3, Microsoft Visual Basic Runtime, Visual C++ Redistributables 2005 to 2022, Nightlove Shell, Remote Desktop Connection, Start is Back, Ultra UX Theme Patcher for third-party themes, and Steam Patcher. The system comes with 3 pre-installed updates: .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8, multimedia features, document and print services, and Windows PowerShell 2.0. No medical activation banners are shown, meaning activation is likely pre-applied. In addition to the Control Panel apps, the system apps include Calculator, Camera, Microsoft Edge Updater, Notepad, Outlook, Paint, Power Automate, Quick Assist, Windows Terminal, Snipping Tool, Web Media Extension, Clock, and Xbox apps. Under Privacy and Security, we find no Windows Defender, meaning it comes without Microsoft's antivirus. Windows Update is functional, but as always, light Windows builds should not be updated through Windows Update to avoid breaking optimizations. The Microsoft Store works fine, so you can install apps like WhatsApp without issues. We also tested installing Mozilla Firefox, and it worked perfectly, allowing smooth internet browsing. We then tried changing the system language to Spanish Mexico. Although the language pack installed, most of the system remained in English, meaning this OS only fully supports English United States. The multi-language component was removed from the ISO. If you want to try Vision OS, based on Windows 11 24H2 by Team OS, the download link is in the pinned comment. For more reviews of modified, light, and optimized operating systems, check out the playlist at the end of this video.